Maker's Asylum workshop really helped us go beyond our imagination and made us explore different varieties of design.
Being at the Maker's Asylum has taught us a lot. I mean, in 3D printing, they've taught us how to use Tinkercad to make prototypes of our project and then print them on the 3D printer. And since the circuits we already did in our robotics class, it was quite easy to make them, and they taught us things like soldering, which helped us learn a new thing like how to join wires and connect them to keep them stable. Woodworking was something new that I discovered. It was very enriching.
Maker Asylum at Goa, we actually wanted to sync in the MYP curriculum with this STEAM projects. The MYP curriculum is a very unconventional way of learning. So it is something like study beyond classroom. Unless they are exposed to this type of learning experience, they will not understand their inner strength.